Who says off-road riding is only for a select few?
这是我第一次玩电车的越野赛。我以前是玩油车的，而且我是玩公路的，我从来没有接触过林道赛呀或者场地赛这种。那油车的话就是有一点重，对我来说是有点重，然后就是坐高非常的高。但是穹隆的话，它不是有矮一点版本嘛，就是那个轻风嘛。其实轻风的话就非常合适，而且像电车，它的那个重量非常轻。你说我在林道里面摔了，我一个人进去摔了4、5次，我一个人都能扶起来。
哦。所以就是说，骑电摩即使是摔倒了，也能够很轻松的去起来，然后就能够继续的比赛啊。这种比赛中的可玩性就要高很多了，是吧？
To be lighter, fueling the passion of riders anywhere and every time. As a key lithium battery partner for SURRON, SCUD Power is built on a foundation of unyielding quality. We engineer every single lithium battery pack with dedication, with our reliable power supporting the ride. Make every off-road journey becomes free, fearless, and absolute. Hardcore engineering, stripping away the weight. We're breaking down the barriers to off-road riding, fueling the passion of riders everywhere. SCUD Power empowers SURRON to push boundaries, to conquer the great outdoors. Ride wild with SURRON, trust your power to SCUD Power.